Hello, my dear students. Today I will discuss about constructor programming. The topic name is Constructor Part 4. The next slide is about programming using constructor. Question number 1. Make a class Phoebe series to generate series 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21. What is Fibonacci series? The Fibonacci series is generated by adding two previous terms by taking 0, 1 as starting terms. Example, the starting values are 0 and 1. Then, if add 0 and 1, the third term is 1. Then add 1 plus 1 equals to 2. The fourth term is 2. Member variables or instance variables. First, second and third integer types. Member functions. Phoebe series. To store 0 to first and 1 to second as to starting terms. Number 2. Void print series. To print Fibonacci series up to 30 terms using while loop. Write a main method to print the Fibonacci series by creating an object of the class using default constructor and call the above method. The next slide contains the next part of the program. Public class Phoebe series. Start curly braces declaring class. Private int first, comma second, comma third, semicolon, declaring member variables. Public Phoebe series. Parenthesis open, parenthesis close. Start curly braces. Defining default constructor. First equals to 0, second equals to 1, third equals to 0, semicolon. Initializing instance variables. Member variables are also known as instance variables. Close the curly braces. End of default constructor. The next slide contains the next part of the program. Public void print series. Start curly braces. Print series here name of the function. Defining impure function. System.out.println start parenthesis, start double quotes, Fibonacci series. Close the double quotes, parenthesis, semicolon. System.out print. Print statement is helped to print in the same line. Start parenthesis first contain the 0 value plus start double quotes, comma, close double quotes, second. That is the second term. Second term contains 1 value. Close parenthesis, semicolon. Displaying first and second term of the series. Int I equals to 1. Declaring and initializing local variable. While I less than equals to 30 minus 2. I less than equals to 30 minus 2 is the test condition for while loop. While loop is the entry control loop. 30 minus 2 because the first and second term are already displayed outside the loop. Start curly braces, start of while loop. Third equals to first plus second, generating term for the series. System.out print start parenthesis within double quotes, comma, close the double quotes, plus third, close the parenthesis, semicolon. First equals to second, second equals to third. Swapping. Swapping means exchanging of values. Plus plus I, semicolon. Prefix increment statement. Close the curly braces. End of while loop. Close another curly braces. End of function. I here control variable for while loop. The next slide contains the next part of the program. Public static void main string args. Start curly braces defining main. Fib series. obj1 equals to new fib series. Creating object using default constructor. obj1 dot print series, parenthesis open, parenthesis closed, invoking function, closing of two curly braces, end of main function and end of class. obj1 is the object of class fib series that is created by using default constructor. Default constructor is a constructor which does not receive any parameter. Here the output is Fibonacci series 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89 and so on. First two terms already displayed before starting the while loop and next 28 terms is generated by using while loop. The next slide contains the variable description of the program. First, variable name, data type and description. First, data type is int to store number. Second, data type is int to store another number. Third, data type is int to store and generate number of the series or term of the series. I, data type is int, control loop variable or while loop variable. The next slide contains the next question. Question number 2. Create a class factorial whose members are as given. The factorial of an integer is calculated by multiplying all the natural numbers starting from 1 to up to given number. Let num equals to 4. The factorial of 4 exclamation is the symbol of factorial equals to 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 equals to 24. Data members of class num, f integer variables. Member functions of class number 1 factorial, a default constructor to assign 1 to f. Factorial within parenthesis int n, close parenthesis, a parameterized constructor to assign num equals to n. Number 3, int get factorial, parenthesis open, parenthesis close, to find and return the factorial of number. Write a program to input a number and print its factorial value using constructor method. Use scanner class to input data. The next slide contains the program. Import java.util.asterisk. semicolon, importing packages, public class factorial, start curly braces, declaring class, private int num, comma f, declaring member variables, public factorial, parenthesis open, parenthesis close, start curly braces, defining default constructor, num equals to 0, f equals to 1, initializing member variables, close the curly braces, end of default constructor, public factorial within parenthesis int n, close parenthesis, n is the formal parameter of parameterized constructor, start curly braces, defining parameterized constructor, num equals to n, f equals to 1, initializing member variables, close the curly braces, parameterized constructor, end of parameterized constructor. The next slide contains the next part of the program. Int get factorial, parenthesis open, parenthesis closed, start curly braces, defining pure function. Pure function is a function which always return a value. For within parenthesis int I equals to 1, semicolon, I less than equals to num, semicolon, I plus plus, close the parenthesis, start curly braces, start of for loop. For loop is a entry control loop. F equals to f asterisk I, semicolon, finding factorial, close curly braces, end of for loop, return f, semicolon, returning value from the function, close the curly braces, end of function, public static void main string args, start curly braces, defining main function, int num1, comma fact, semicolon, declaring local variables, scanner sc equals to new scanner within parenthesis system.in, close parenthesis, semicolon, preparing for input, system.out.println, within parenthesis input a number, close the double quotes, parenthesis, semicolon, num1 equals to ac dot next int, parenthesis open, parenthesis closed, taking input. Next slide contains next part of the program. Factorial obj equals to new factorial within parenthesis num1, close the parenthesis, semicolon, creating object using parameterized constructor. Num1 is the actual parameter of the constructor, factorial. Fact equals to obj dot get factorial, parenthesis open, parenthesis closed, invoking function, system.out.println, start parenthesis, start double quotes, factorial value equals to close the double quotes, plus fact, close the parenthesis, semicolon, displaying output, end of two curly braces, end of main and end of class. Obj is the object of factorial class that is created by using parameterized constructor. So the output is input a number 7, factorial value equals to 5040. The next slide contains the variable description of the program. variable name, data type, description. Num, data type is int to store a number. F, data type is int to find and store the factorial of a number. I, data type is int, control variable or for loop variable. Num1, data type is int to input a number. Fact, data type is int to store the function factorial value. Students, in this session I have discussed about two programs using constructor method. Hope all of you have understand these two programs very well. That's all for now. Thank you.